We're unboxing and reviewing the PDD tablet mount. What comes in the box is some instructions, a little ball mount with 1/4-inch screw so that you can fine-tune the positioning of your tablet. And we have the tablet mount itself. Okay. It's very stretchy. Alright, here I am. I'm demonstrating how to install it and set it up. You use the top knob to expand the tablet mount. I have a larger iPad and I will show you how it fits. So it can fit the largest iTab sideways, even with a case. Would recommend.